Today I'm going to show you how 3 of our AIoT products connect with each other, providing greater integration to your Realme product ecosystem. We have the Watch 3, we have the Realme Buds Air 3 Neo, and we have the Realme Pad X. Now let's get into the tech behind all of these products. The Realme Pad X packs a 6nm Snapdragon 695 5G processor. I'm using the Realme Pencil, which works seamlessly with the pad. It's got just under 30 cm of 2K full view display, along with multi-screen collaboration. Its ultra-slim design makes it convenient to carry, and you can carry it a long time because it contains a massive 8,340 mAh mega battery. And that battery gets to full strength extremely fast with a 33-watt dart charge. But none of our devices would be complete without the most important app, the Realme Link. After connecting the Realme Link to your Buds Air 3 Neos, you can listen to your music and fully customize your sound profile to suit your listening needs. Now, I've been using the Buds Air 3 Neos for a little while. These have become my go-to, which is saying something because I currently have 5 different pairs of headphones. They have a 10mm dynamic bass driver with Dolby Atmos audio. And believe it or not, the Buds Air 3 Neos also have some integrations with the Watch 3. I'm able to control what I'm listening to from my watch, so if I'm not next to my GT2 Pro or Pad X, but I want to pause, change songs, or adjust the volume, I don't have to worry about it. This watch does everything. I have clear Bluetooth calling, a 1.8-inch super large and bright display, comprehensive all-day health monitoring, and tons of sports modes and watch faces to match both my lifestyle and personal style. And like the earbuds, this watch feels like it lasts forever with its 7-day battery life. And to bring things full circle, another convenient integration exists between the Watch 3 and the Pad X. If you don't feel like entering your password every time you want to open your Pad X, just make your watch a trusted device. If your watch is close to the Pad X will open without the need for a password. If I were to describe the feeling that I get from this Realme ecosystem in 2 words, I would say convenience and efficiency. These devices are integrated in a totally intuitive way, and I can definitely feel the impact of creating this type of product ecosystem and how it improves my daily life. Until next time, stay real.